Hello guys, welcome to 2026 InfoComm. Here is SEEKINK join the InfoComm 2026. And you can see we bring our e-paper technology to here. This one is a splicing wall for advertisement. It will use for multiple different application like reception and like advertising. And you can see this one, such big size. The no compensation. Even a small power bank can charge for it. So it's an energy saving product, eye protection product, and no carbon and environment friendly technology. So welcome to check our company by www.seekink.com. www.seekink.com is our website. Thank you.